Hi, katzcradul here. I subscribe to the newsletter at American Preppers Network. Now, you might have heard of them before if you've ever been a guest at the Homestead Honey Hour show, because American Preppers Network is what powers prepperbroadcasting.com, and they have an excellent website, and I have signed up for their newsletter and have been getting it ever since they first started, and don't always have time to read it when it comes, but I just hold it in my mail, and when I get around to it, it's there. And so I had one show up, I think, last week, maybe on the 20th, and I was just able to get around to looking at it today. And it started out by 5 superfoods that Marjorie Wildcraft talks about you growing, which I found very interesting. There's also a section on artisan bread down in the current issue. And then one of the things down at the bottom was this video that I found very compelling about women who've grown up in the hills of Appalachia, who were raised there and still live there. And I think particularly my female subscribers would probably be very interested in hearing these stories. I'm always encouraged and feel motivated when I hear really elderly women, and I suspect most of these women are in their late 80s or early 90s, talking about how they were raised in very primitive conditions, actually. One of them talks about not even having a stove. Her mother cooked in the fireplace, and none of them had running water in their homes. And they talk with such joy and enthusiasm about their childhood. I think you'll just find these stories compelling. But they give me hope that maybe if a time ever came when we had to roll back the clock, so to speak, where I could be successful and thrive in that condition as well. I think you'll find these women delightful. I loved hearing their stories. It was a nice way for me to stop in the middle of my day and just not concentrate on anything else I needed to do, but just listen to these beautiful stories. I hope you'll enjoy them too, and that you'll go to American Preppers Network and sign up for their newsletter. Lots of really great information on that website as well. Let me know what you think about it. Until next time, this is katzcradul.